Hey friends, hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on my kitchen island in quotation marks, if you will. It's a peninsula, but we're going to make it do what it do. So we're going to be adding some wallpaper. I purchased some wallpaper a while back from Walmart. I believe I purchased it from Walmart, and it's like a board and batten material, and so I wanted to give this area a little bit of texture because it's kind of plain. I really need to redo the kitchen. I would love to paint the cabinets, and I'm contemplating the color right now, so that's going to be coming up as well. So today, not only are we going to be adding that wallpaper around the peninsula base, but I am going to be adding some, I was about to say sconces, not sconces, some pendant lights over the peninsula. I purchased these pendant lights from Walmart. I'm sorry, not Walmart, Amazon, a while back. Had them stored in the garage like forever. And so now we finally decided to put them up. And y'all, please forgive that tapping sound. That's my dog tapping on the door. Everywhere I'm at, she needs to be. But without further ado, we're about to get to work on this peninsula. Now, right here on the side of this cabinet, I was contemplating adding some of the wallpaper there too. But in the end, I decided not to.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Here I'm getting my measurement for the length so that I can cut the wallpaper. I'm leaving an inch or two at the top and an inch or two at the bottom just for extra. And I'll cut it off once the wallpaper is applied. This is the wallpaper right here. I don't remember how much I paid for it at Walmart, but it wasn't too much. I'll link it down below if anybody's interested. And friends, thank y'all so much for stopping by for today's video. I am overjoyed with the love and support that I have been receiving with my last couple of videos on YouTube. I really do appreciate y'all. And I know I've been uploading pretty inconsistent, but these videos do take time to make and edit as well. But I do have some things coming up that y'all are not going to want to miss. Now this wallpaper comes pre-pasted, so all you have to do is put some water in a spray bottle, spray it down real thoroughly. Make sure you get those edges really good because the edges tend to want to peel back up. So I tried to really saturate those edges. Now when I first did it, I only let the wallpaper sit for like 3 to 5 minutes before I tried to stick it. And it did stick, but I learned later on to let it sit for at least like 10 minutes so that the paste gets really gel-like, and then it applies so much better. And once you get it saturated, you got to kind of fold it over itself. It's called booking. You fold each side in half, but don't make creases, and let it sit. Now laying that first piece was a little tricky. I started at the edge of the peninsula when I should have started around that curve. I think it would have been much easier, but it worked out.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
First piece up, it wasn't too bad. Now just to cut the excess. Now to cut that excess off, you want to use something flat, like maybe a ruler or something flat with a kind of sharp edge, as well as an X-Acto knife, so you can get a clean cut. And you got to be gentle because you don't want to rip up that paper. And while I was waiting for the next piece to get sticky, I unscrewed the outlet cover and took that off so that I could get a clean cut, a nice seamless cut with the paper for that area.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't even.
Now, giving my honest opinion about this wallpaper, I don't really love it. I used it because I had it. I had purchased it a while ago. I couldn't return it. And it was something that I could add to this area just to give it a little something extra. What I do like about the wallpaper, though, is that it doesn't have any intricate design on it. So that makes it kind of easier for you to line up the seams.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how.
The paint color that I chose for this area is Shiitake by Sherwin-Williams. Now, I thought that Shiitake was going to be a little more moody, a darker color than it turned out to be, but it works for now. And eventually I might paint this wall again, a deeper color, something a little more rich. But I just repeated the process until I finished the peninsula.
My way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear
I absolutely not loving the seam that's showing over here on this side, but I just took a little bit of caulk and added to it just to make it a little more seamless. Now this here is the color shiitake. Now in my mind, when I thought shiitake, I thought that it was gonna be more of a kind of like a mushroomy kind of color. It looks a little brighter than it actually is because I have a light over there because it was getting a little late. And so I used a work light to help me see better in this area. But yeah, I was really expecting something a little darker. These pendant lights here, I found those on Amazon a long time ago. They've been stored up in the garage. I decided to pull them out. We are not going to be hardwiring anything. So we are going to be using some rechargeable lights that I also purchased from Amazon in these sconces. And I like the rechargeable lights because I can change them to different settings. They have like 3 settings on them. They come with a remote that works for both of them. And funny thing is that the remote actually works on my lights that's over in my little entryway area as well. So I don't have to use a million remotes even though I have a million remotes. So hubby is going to be helping me out with this part. This is something I could normally do, but because I've been still recovering from frozen shoulder, I can't. The raising my arms above my head for too long starts to bother my arm, and I don't want any setback. So hubby is helping me out today. This is what the peninsula is looking like right now. I don't really love the color shiitake because it's almost blending in with the chairs. So I know that I'm going to wind up painting it a darker color, but it's going to have to do for now. And I love the way the pendant lights turned out. Not too much. We only added 2 because the peninsula is not long and I didn't want it to look super busy in that area. But let me know what y'all think. And now that we've completed that, I want to paint the kitchen cabinets. I want to change out the hardware. I'm not sure what color hardware I want to go with. If I should go with like a brushed brass or black. Let me know what y'all think in the comments about that as well. Well, friends, that just about wraps up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you decide to come on back by. I got a lot more coming up. I'm going to be working inside of this kitchen. I'll probably be painting the walls. I'll be painting the cabinets, changing out the hardware, as well as I have a bedroom makeover coming up. My favorite season is approaching as well. If you know me, you know that fall is my absolute favorite season. So I will be doing some fall touches around the house. So stay tuned for that as well. But until next time, bye friends.
I belong to you. I belong to you.